there! In today's video, I'll show you how to increase or decrease brightness on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Let's get started. So this process is really easy. We would need to just swipe down and here we can see the brightness controller. So to decrease the brightness, we would need to move this line to the left side. You can see how the screen becomes more darker. And to increase the brightness, we can move it to the right side. This is especially useful, the maximum brightness, if you're on a bright sunlight, so you'd be able to see the screen of your phone. And also one extra tip, if we will go to the settings, to the tab which is named display, here's it how it looks. Here we would be also able to enable this interesting feature which is named adaptive brightness. It automatically adapts to the lighting on your environment. If it's dark, the brightness of the screen will become on the minimum, and if you are on a bright sunlight, it will become maximum. And this is it. I hope this video helps and thanks for watching.